Okay, so before I really dive into things here, one note is this here has that USB slot here. Don't use a normal USB cable, and if I have mine going to my cigarette lighter, and it's not enough power, like right off the bat, every time I want it on, I have to kind of hold this button down for like 8-9 seconds and then let go. I will be hardwiring things in my car electronics. That's to come. Probably going to put a marine battery in my trunk and wire everything to that, and then wire that one to the main battery. But that's another video. So first things first, you have to have this connected either hardwired to your car battery or with the cigarette plug. But if you do the cigarette plug, once again, you're going to have to hold the button on the bottom to turn it on. Now here you have the SIM and TF card slots. So for those of you who don't know, TF is trans flash. It's also called a micro SD XC card. This is the one you typically use in your phone and literally almost anything else nowadays. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do this one-handed. So you put it in with the contacts on the bottom there facing inward towards the middle of the device. Or I guess that would be, since that's in the middle, it would be towards the back of the device. Go like that, clicks in. So SIM card. I had to use an adapter. I think this is a micro SIM size, and my SIM card here is a nano SIM. So, I mean, you can get one of these online. It's a cheap kit. You know, it comes with a bunch of these. You just basically flip it over. The corner that's on an angle, take the corner of your card that's on an angle, and just pop it in there, like that. And then I take this whole thing. And I was just having issues, but I forgot what way I had it in there. I think it was like this. See, that's the thing, I just cut my nails like 2 hours ago too, so. So I had to take the corner of the pliers and kind of push it down. I'm sure that's good for the camera. So actually to get this out, what I noticed was when I had used a pen or something, it's ejected, but I can't pull on it. Unless you have super long fingernails, I'm going to need something like this to get it out. So you just use the pliers, grab the very tip of it, and just pull it on out.